Guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Yes, how are you? How are you doing? It's been a while without posting a video for you guys. Oh my god, I don't know what came over me. Sometimes I feel like giving up. Sometimes I be like, oh my god, what is really going on? Like, I don't know what's going on. I'm just there in the middle. I really don't know what's happening. But one thing that makes me happy is that you guys are still watching my videos. You guys are still subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I do appreciate that. I think that is what is keeping me in this channel, to make me coming back. To make me come back. Otherwise, I don't know. I think by now I should I should have gone away. I should have just left this channel and just forget about it. Kabisa. So anyways, welcome to today's video, and in today's video actually I want to unbox something with you. But before that, make sure you subscribe down there. Click on the subscribe button below. Make sure you subscribe, and also tell your friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Now we are back to back videos. Sasa tunaanza sasa fresh, so make sure you tell your friend to tell a friend to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so in today's video, hey, woo, checky, hey, we got something new. Look at that. Hey, the storage, this is actually Infinix Hot 60i. Yeah, so with the what, a iPhone, Infinix a iPhone. So I actually had to get it because I was going to be phoneless. You know, phoneless, like remaining without a phone. Do you know, like remaining without a phone? It's like, you know it. Being off where you can't receive any call. You're just off where you're not on WhatsApp, you're not on social media, you're just blank. People will think like you're dead, but you're not dead. You're alive, but just because you're not on here. So I decided to go for this. I know some of you might be thinking, is it cash? Is it lipa pole pole? Guess. Guess. Lipa pole pole? I'm a cash. But cash? Oh no. Ama, this is lipa pole pole phone. If you also want a phone for lipa pole pole original phone, quality type, everything quality. If you want a quality phone, then comment down below. I will plug you where to get the quality phones. Yes. I will plug you where to get a quality phone, lipa pole pole, at your own time, the way you want it. Yes, even if you want, they deliver it. They will deliver to your door, the original phone, you know, original phone. So this is Hot 6. This is Infinix Hot 60i. You can see that. Yes, it has a nice battery, charging like 45 watts. Yeah, 51,060 mAh, whatever, and 5 year durable battery. You understand? And then the storage is here, 256 GB, and then faster Wi-Fi, guy. Oh my god, 16 GB. Advancable. You can add the GBs, and then it will become that, more than that. like 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 who does that? Like who does that? Oh my god, yes. Let's unbox it. Faster charger. First of all, I had removed the charger. Charger inakujanga hivi, faster on the name's Infinix faster charger in just 1 hour, or even in minutes, because it charges 45 watts. In just minutes your phone is full. You understand? You feel me? So if you want a phone, please let me know in the comment section, or get me on my social media at TikTok. Yes, so we are unboxing the phone. This is how it is. let's bend it a little bit like that. So we unbox the phone. First of all, the important thing is the receipt. You see the receipt? They have to write for you the receipt so that in case of anything you are aware, you have to return it. In case you find it's not good, you return it. So the receipt is very important in anything you're buying these days. So there was a cover. I'd actually removed some of the things. So the cover comes this one, the light cover that you can put on the back. And then this is the phone, Infinix. So the cover, they have the covers there. If you want to buy the type of the cover that you want, you can buy. But this is how the phone looks like. This is how the phone looks like. Very nice. Yes, the camera is very quality. Let's try this time whether the videos will be good. So this is how the phone looks like. Gray in color. Is that gray or is that white? I don't know. That is how the phone looks like. Very nice. It's not that heavy, very light. So bush. So at least I won't be off air now. You people will get me and then also it is this is where you can put your SIM card kama kawaida. And also it has a pin. Where is the pin? Where is the box? So also it comes with a pin that you can use to open and put your SIM card inside. Okay, it comes with everything. So the way you want, if you want to use this type of a cover, you can use it, but at least you have to be very careful, because if the phone falls down on any side, it will be broken. So you just have to buy a good cover. Okay, so also I decided to buy a cover. I decided to buy a new cover for this phone. So I decided to buy this type of a cover. I've been wanting to buy this type of a cover, but all thanks be to God, I managed to buy it today. And yeah, it fits it completely. So you can see that. Completely. And then there is one feature that I want to show you guys about this phone, so that you can understand. First of all, let me show you from the box. You see from the box, it's called Infinix AI phone. Okay, it's not a lie, it's very true. See, you see this button here? You see there are two buttons here. There's this button, there's this one. The green one here is for AI. So if you want to call anybody, just click here, open your phone. You can see, let me put the password to my, not even a password, let me open my phone like that. So now I'm going to say to, what you're going to do is to long press on that button of AI, long press, then there, open the camera, then you talk to it, you tell it open the camera. It will open the camera only if it is connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, you make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi. That's when you can use that. This AI button, it's green, can see that? This AI button, you can use it when you are connected to the Wi-Fi. So if you want to call somebody, you just long press on it, then you talk to it. Call Susan, it will call that person. You just yes, like that. Call so and so, it will call. Do me this, it will do it for you. Do this for me, it will do anything you want, it will do it for you. So these days, you know, there is a everything is becoming hey high. So even phones now, they're becoming for hey high. So you will not disturb yourself scrolling someone's number to look for someone's name. As long as you've saved the person with that name, so you're just going to click on to press on that button of hey hi, then you talk to it. Call for me, mom. Okay, you just say call mom. As long as you've saved your mom on that phone, mom, it will call it. Okay, as just as simple as that. Oh my god. Guys, I'm just happy because it's better than being off hair. Yeah, lipa pale pale is good. Don't be stressed outside there. Don't go off here because you feel like I don't have cash, I don't do this, I don't do this. No. Please comment down below. I will take you to the legit people who give good phones. Not just phones anyhow. I'll take you to the people who give you legit phones. For Lipa Pala Pala, you want Tekino Camon, you want Samsung, you want any type of a phone you want, they will give you. As long as you pay, you follow the instructions, you pay every day like the way you agree, you're okay, you will have the phone you want. Okay, so thank you so much. That is all for today. And kindly, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below and everything will go well. And like I was telling you, they don't give second-hand phones, they give original phones whereby you just go home and open it, unbox it, the phone is very clean, everything is inside. Actually, yes, that is phone. So don't forget to support your girl. If you want a phone, original phone for Lipa Pole Pole, you want to be paying weekly, you want to be paying daily, it is you. So just click on just let me know in the comment section which type of a phone you want. Or if you want me to take you there, I will take you there. Alright? So don't be left behind. Wacha kutumia kabambe sana. Acha kutumia kabambe sana. Shangamuka, 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 shanuka. Acha kutumia kabambe sana ukishinda ukisema oh, sasa nikisema hii, oh, sasa nikisema hii. No. There are so many phones outside there in the market for Lipa Pole Pole. Yes, Lipa Pole Pole. Pay slowly. Lipa mos. And you have a phone right on your hands. You can communicate, you can chat, you can watch. Yes. So do that. So thank you so much. I will see you on the next video. Bye.